you can go forwards. Sir, excuse me. Please do not drink those samples before we start the class.
So this is where bourbon began.
Began at this distillery. The Union soldiers came and we gave them a taste of bourbon, and from then on they were going to buy Kentucky bourbon.
We are in bourbon country. This is the place to do it.
Nibbling on some ham and had a little neat whiskey, and I thought, eureka, this stuff matches so extremely well.
Today what we did is we did the classic mint julep, but we also had a couple different twists.
Well, it is a beautiful day for a paddle on the Beech Fork because it's a tributary of the Rolling Fork.
So I started making crazy cocktails. Hey, I model a bottle of bourbon. I can do anything I want to do.
It's Kentucky's art form.
We have great water, we have great seasons. We're just like the perfect place for making bourbon.